yeah, yep. Big fish on. Oh God. Dude, look at it. Look at it. Catching pigs with Eric, man. Big boy back in the water. Good peacock here.
So yesterday we drove, I think what ended up being 10.5 or 11 hours all the way from Tampa in Florida to here in North Carolina. We're currently in Wilmington area. Stayed in Carolina Beach State Park last night. It's 7:05 right now. We're going to meet Steve Moore. The plan today is to kayak the intercoastal waterway and do some red fishing. So hopefully we can get on a few. It's looking like there's going to be some nasty storms rolling in, and you guys will get to see the funny side of Steve. Should be a fun episode for you guys to watch. Hope everybody's laughing with us or laughing at us, because I'm not an actor. So full disclaimer, not an actor.
Holy man!
You like it?
I like that.
How are you guys?
I feel like I know you guys.
I know.
Good to see you.
How are you?
Alex?
Nice to meet you.
Okay.
Thank you. All right, will do.
Oh, driving on the beach. That's a song, right?
Driving on the beach.
We might get stuck today. There's a decent shot. It's a tough life, guys, you know?
How's come you're 30 seconds late? Let's fall in for inspection.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I think the angler is ready for inspection.
Roger that, Sergeant Major. Acceptable. You're ready to go.
No, big toad.
Oh.
Oh God, that's a massive one. There we go. Whew. I'd be fine not tangling with one of them again.
Where's the redfish?
Jacob, here in North Carolina, it's a law. It's an absolute law that you have to woo when you catch a redfish. So I got to make sure your woo is good enough, because if the wildlife guys are here, they're going to write you a ticket if they see you with a redfish and no woo. You grab your fist and then you go, woo! Woo! That's pretty weak woo. That would be good for a ticket here in North Carolina. A false woo. False woo.
If someone hits this, we gonna know. Good fish, good fish, good fish. I don't feel anything anymore. Stingray.
Oh yeah, yep. Big fish on.
Might be a while. It's time for the Hero GoPro battery changed by Alex. Dude, you're a G. Try and get this fish flopped into the back of the Jackson to get it unhooked. Otherwise, you're probably gonna have to cut it. I'd rather not do that. So, God, dude, that thing is just. Look at how strong they are. So that's the stinger right there, and this is me trying to lift it off the bottom. Here. Hey!
You get it?
Hooks out. Alrighty. Ah. Woo. Look at that. Big old stinger. Look at that. We're gonna flip him over. Get him on his way. Yeah.
Alright, good.
Awesome. Awesome.
Here goes your kayak.
We lost the kayak. There we go, little guy. Oh, coming up over your kayak. Heads up. Oh, perfect bait size. Alright, so now we're gonna do with this guy. I love this process in saltwater. It's so easy. You catch a fish, you get a bigger hook, and then you put the fish you just caught on the bigger hook. Just flick them out there without casting them off. Like that.
Right there.
When you're fishing shorelines like this, is look for anything that's irregular. Unless the tide is moving in and out and you know the redfish are going to be running right along the shoreline, they're going to hang in the little nooks and crannies and the coves where when the bait fish comes by, they can go out, slam into them, and get them.
Been getting a shaking baby syndrome out here because I have to anchor up sideways, and the tide's coming in, and we're starting to drift now.
So we just got off the water here with Steve and Dick. They showed us around some pretty awesome little intercoastal flats here. We fished out on the outgoing tide, fished on the incoming tide. Ended up having the biggest fight that I've ever had from a kayak. So I'd say successful day, even though we didn't get our redfish that we were hoping for. What are your thoughts on the day?
Well, I just think that you guys have it so easy now that they have all this great technology for fishing. When I was growing up, we couldn't even afford bait. We'd have to cut off parts of our body to use for bait. You don't even want to see what my toes look like. In fact, I think my generation is much tougher than you guys.
I don't know, we're pretty tough too. Woo! It was a pleasure.